We are going pop, 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 said my mom, and your name said my golden, gonna be golden. Oh, pop, pop, our boy says, your missing so me, gonna be golden. Ma'am, it's done.
Wow, you sang so good.
Ma'am,
Don't
I know
shy.
how to sing.
Yes, you are singing very good. Only it's just that you are little shying. Yes, no need to shy. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, how are you today? I know the day is almost end. It's night time. Yes, so how are you feeling? How are you?
Ma'am, I am feeling pretty good for asking. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also doing very well. And after seeing you, after connecting with you, I feel more energetic because I saw you yesterday also. Yes, I saw you
Yes,
yesterday
ma'am.
also, and you are very sweet. Has anyone ever
Thank
told
you,
you?
ma'am.
Welcome. Has anyone ever told you that you are very sweet? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are very sweet. So I am very much excited to know about you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I can introduce myself. My name is Avik Yadav, and I am 7 years old, and I'm studying third grade, and I'm from I'm from Gwalior, but I'm currently living in Sagar. And so my hobbies are doing skipping and art and craft, and practicing English in my free time. This is pretty much about me. And what about you, ma'am?
Okay, very good. May I know about your hobbies again? I could not hear properly. What are your hobbies?
Yes, ma'am. My hobbies are doing skipping, art and craft, and practicing English in my free time.
Okay. So, what you do in your art and craft? What have you made?
Ma'am, I have made many other things. Like um I have also made
Oh,
unicorn
wow.
because I'm expert in unicorn.
Oh, wow. That's
And
great.
I have also made
Hmm.
unicorn doll and rainbow and many other art and craft with the help of clay and colors.
Okay, very good. Even, I have my daughters also, and they also like art and craft very much. They also draw very good. Many times they draw a very beautiful picture, and they also like to play with clay a lot. They also make, when they were of your age, they even used to make so many things. They are also very much
And
creative
they are
like you.
also,
Yes?
ma'am, they are 7 years old.
No, they are not seven
Ma'am,
years
they are
old.
7 years old.
No, no, no. Now they are 13 years old. When they were of your age, no,
13
at
years.
that time. Yes, now they are 13 years old. And in which class do you study?
Ma'am, I'm studying in third grade.
Oh, wow, big girl. So,
Ma'am, your
hmm,
ma'am, ma'am, your kids speak English or any other language.
yes, they speak Hindi, English, they speak English good. Means wherever it is required, they speak good. So, which is your favorite subject?
Ma'am, my favorite subject is SSC, but I don't like English very much because I only like English. I only like I don't like English too much, but sometimes I like English very much if there if I get bored or any other things.
Okay. So, like you are speaking very good English. So, how did you learn this English? From your school or from your mama or papa?
Ma'am, my mother tongue is English. When I grown up, when I was 6 years old, so I started learning English by the help of ChatGPT.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's great. I am amazed, I am surprised. At this age, you are speaking very good. Do you converse in English with your parents also?
Ma'am, sometimes, not daily.
Okay. And what about your school situation? Do you converse with your teachers or friends in this language?
No, ma'am, they're English. When it's English period, so we all speak English. When it's Hindi period, so we all speak Hindi only. This is the
Okay.
rule.
Okay, that's very good rule. Okay, do you know any kind of rhyme or anything related to English? Anything
Ma'am,
of your...
I don't know any rhymes.
Okay, so anything else related to your book or anything which you have learned of your previous
No,
class?
ma'am.
Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we discuss of uh topic on a
Yes, yes,
topic?
sure. Yes, yes, sure. Why not? What would you like to converse on? Do you have anything
Ma'am,
in your
I
mind?
like. Yes, ma'am. I
Yes.
have shopkeeper.
Okay, you are shopkeeper and I am customer. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So which shop do you have?
ma'am. I have fruit shop.
Okay. You have fruit shop and I am customer. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now I have come to your shop and hello. Do you have some mangoes?
Yes, I have some mangoes.
Okay. So how many kgs they are?
They are 2 kgs or 1 kg.
Okay.
You will get 1 kg of mango 500.
Okay. It is very expensive. Don't you think it is very expensive? I can't pay that much. Can you reduce little bit price or your prices are fixed?
Okay, I can reduce little bit price. I can reduce 300.
Okay. Fine. Now I can buy mangoes. And what about these bananas?
These bananas are 2 kilo or 3 kilos.
Okay. So, I need 1 kg. You just pack 1 kg of banana and half kg of mangoes.
Okay, I can pack 1 kg of bananas
Yes.
and
And half kg of mango. Okay.
okay, half kg of mango will cost only 200.
2200. But you reduce it to 300. Earlier you told 500. Then you told then you will give me 1 kg of 300. Yes. Now I want only half kg of mango. So,
Half kg of mango will cost only 200 and 1 kg of mango will cost 500, but I can reduce the price.
okay. Okay, fine. Fine. So how much do I have to pay for half kg of mango? Come again.
You can pay 200.
Okay, 200. Okay. Should I not have to pay you 150 rupees? Because 1 kg bananas was of 300 rupees. Now I want half kg of mangoes. Sorry, not bananas, mangoes. So would I not have to pay you 150 rupees?
You can pay
Half
me
of three,
150.
because half of 300 is 150 rupees, yes? Okay. And what about bananas?
Bananas will cost 400.
400. Okay. Can it also be reduced little bit?
Okay, it can reduce to 300 only.
Okay, 300. So I have to pay 300 for bananas and 150 for mangoes. So how much do I have to pay in total? 300 for bananas and 150 for mangoes. So how much do I have to pay you? 300 plus 150. Think, think, think. Suppose a customer come to you who do not know how to calculate, how to add, then you will have to add as a shopkeeper. Yes? So 300 plus 150. Think, take your time. No issues. You can keep a pen, you can keep a pencil also beside you. You can add also. You can plus also.
Ma'am, I have no pencil beside me.
Okay, you have no pencil. Okay, 300 plus 150 is called 450. Okay? Yes?
Okay.
Yes. So, how do you like maths? Do you have interest in maths?
Yes, ma'am, I have interest in maths. I have solved many puzzles.
Okay, puzzles. Do you have games with you?
Mm, I have no games.
Okay, puzzles. You have so many puzzles to solve. Yes, this is a very good
Yes,
way, to develop interest in maths. Because I was very weak in maths, I never liked maths at all. Means I used to run away from maths. And which subject do you dislike the most? Is there any subject?
ma'am, there is no subject that I dislike. I like all the subjects.
Oh, wow, very much. Because, maths, because I would never, I was never able to understand maths properly. So I used to run away from maths every time. So,
Ma'am, can
or
I
in,
ask you a question?
yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, what was your dream life?
My dream like to teach children like you because I love to teach small children like you because I love to give knowledge, whatever I have. Because I am a teacher, yes, I was teaching in schools earlier. I had interest to teach small children. That's why, today my dream is fulfilled after talking to you because I was not aware. I thought your mama will talk, but after seeing you in front of me, I got more delighted. I love to teach children. That is my desire. That is my dream. What is your dream? What do you want to become?
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to become a singer.
Oh, wow, singer. So that's great. Then it is necessary for you to sing a song so that I also come to know how good you are in singing. Yes? Do you have any song in your mind?
Ma'am, I have bucket of song, but I could not decide.
It's okay. Whichever you like or whichever you remember right now, you can sing. Anyone?
Ma'am, I don't like Hindi song because I hate Hindi song.
Okay. Why?
And because Hindi song, I don't know how to dance at Hindi song and don't know how to sing. And I am very bored to listen Hindi songs. And in English song, I get some knowledge, I learn, and there are new characters in them.
Okay, that's great. So you can sing any English song? Now, okay, I just close my eyes, you sing. Then it is fine. Okay?
Ma'am, ma'am, I cannot decide because I have bucket of songs. I have I have collect 10 songs, I think so.
Okay, then it is very much then it must be very much easier for you because you have so many options. Whichever song comes to your mind first, you sing that one. Okay? I'm closing my eyes. Start. Fast, fast. Yes, yes, jaldi, jaldi. Fast. How will
Ma'am, I
we
really cannot decide.
don't feel shy. Just like you are speaking up so boldly, so nicely. Sing any song. Okay, one line. One line is enough. Okay? Only one line.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
One
Okay.
line. Ma'am, I really like Guljan.
Okay, yes, yes, say one line. Yes, yes, yes. I'm closing eyes. Fast.
We are going pop, 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 say my moment. You know me, say my golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, pop, pop, our voices. You're missing so me. Gonna be golden. Ma'am, it's done.
Wow, you sang so good.
Ma'am,
Don't
I know
shy.
how to
Never.
sing.
Yes, you are singing very good. Only it's just that you are little shying. Yes, no need to shy. If you want to fulfill your dream, never shy. If we will shy, how will we fulfill our desire? How will we fulfill our dream? Never shy. Even if in class or anywhere, if anyone tell you what is your dream, and if you are telling that you want to become a singer, and if you will not sing, then how will you fulfill your dream? Okay? So like today you sang,
Okay.
every time you have to sing. Okay?
Ma'am,
No
I every time
shyness at all.
practice.
Yes, yes. And
Ma'am,
you sang very good. Yes.
I always practice.
Yes, yes. That is visible. The way you sang. You were singing in
Ma'am, I
rhythm.
always practice singing. Ma'am, I
Yes.
always practice some songs. Like I have learned Nobody Free and Your Idol. I also
Yes.
watch movies.
Okay. Good, good, very good. Keep on practicing like this because I have seen you are speaking very good in this language. You are very well. Okay, you are a confident girl. Means above all, like I can give you 10 out of 10. I'm very much impressed the way you are speaking, the way you are carrying yourself. Okay, now to fulfill your desire, never be shy, never feel shy. Right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else which you want to share? Is summer holidays going on at your place?
Yes, ma'am. My summer holidays are going, but there is only 8 days left.
8 days left. Okay. So can you tell me what are you doing in these holidays? Any activity?
Ma'am,
Have you joined any activity?
I have joined English classes daily
Okay.
at 4 o'clock.
Okay. You have joined English classes. Right, right, right. It's good. It is visible the way you are speaking. Very good. It is visible. Keep on practicing like this. And you are such a lovable child. I love you very much. You are so pretty, so sweet. Not favorite, sorry, which is your best friend.
Ma'am, I have taken admission in Vatsala school. Not too
Okay.
long. When I was in second class, I am in third class. So my best friend is Lakshita.
In this school or in previous? What are you saying?
Ma'am, in this school,
Okay.
Lakshita. And
Okay.
my in my in my next school, my best friend is Garima because she comes daily at my home and she is my first best friend. But my first best friend is my mother or father, and my second best friend is my 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 best friend Garima, and third best friend is Lakshita because I have made her.
Okay. Okay. So I could not hear at that time properly. Have you changed your school?
Ma'am, I have changed my school. My school name is Vatsalya.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That
Okay.
that school I was studying earlier, that school name is
Okay.
Tagore
So
Vidyaniketan.
okay. So why did you change your school? Was it too far away or some other problem?
Ma'am, Ma'am, it was because I can't do study properly, and that's why I changed my school.
Okay. Okay. And how are you feeling in this school?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very wonderful in this school.
Okay. So can you tell me any good thing in this school which you did not find in your previous school?
Ma'am, I have never find any school
Okay.
anything that is fun for me.
Okay. 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 Fine. So anything else which you want to tell from your side?
No, ma'am.
Okay. It was wonderful talking to you and I thoroughly enjoyed with you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Good night. Take care.
Good night. Have a nice day.
You too, beta.